The reassuring bit here is crucial, okay? I mean it when I say reassuring. The very first time I knitted a garment, and this was a really long time ago, it was a stressful thing. I would never have admitted to it if I'd been asked about it, but it was a stressful thing because I think I spent every single minute that I was working on the garment worried that it wouldn't work, worried that it wouldn't fit, okay? Because, again, I had that experience where, well, the fabric changed, so what if this fabric changes, and how do I know it's going to work out to be right, okay? What you're doing when you're making a swatch, because it always comes back to this, I know, I'm very boring on this score. When you're making a swatch and you're washing your swatch, you're giving yourself reassurance that it's going to turn out right, because you're planning in advance for any change in fabric. You're planning in advance for any stretching that it might do. And what you're doing is you're harnessing that. So you're going to knit to your washed fabric so you can relax. And when you're working on your sweater, you don't have to spend that time stressing about, is it going to work? Is it going to fit? Is it going to be okay when I wash it? Because you're going to make sure it is. You're going to plan for it. It's as simple as that. And I know that nobody loves swatching, okay? But I look at it this way. It's a small investment in making the project perfect. It's what, one evening's worth of knitting, a couple of episodes of your favorite TV show? It's not a lot of work. And compare that to the number of hours that you'll spend on your garment project, right? 20, 30, 40, even more. Like, a garment is not a quick knit, right? I can spend 20 hours knitting a pair of socks, right? A garment can be even more. And rather than it become 20, 30, 40 hours of stress worrying, is it going to be right? I can relax and enjoy it because I've spent 1 hour, 2 hours, one evening's worth of knitting, making sure that it is going to be right. And yeah, I'm impatient. Of course I'm impatient. I want to cast on and just start knitting. And I'm impatient when it comes to baking too, right? Like, really, why on earth do I have to wait for the oven to preheat? Why on earth should I have to rest the cookie dough? Why do I have to wait for the bread dough to rise? Well, those steps are crucial to make it work, right? Like, and trust me, I've tried. It turns out that if you don't preheat the oven, the cookies don't turn out. If you don't let the dough rise, fine. Did you want to bake a doorstop? I guess I did, because that's certainly what happened. It's just a crucial part of the process. And what that does, taking those crucial steps, those setup steps, those preamble steps, preheating the oven, resting the dough, letting the dough rise, whatever it is that you need to do. We do them because we know they're a step to success. And so that when the bread goes in the oven, we know that it's going to work out. And so we do the swatching and the washing of the swatch so that you know when you cast on, it's going to work out. So small investment, one evening's worth of knitting to make your project more relaxing, point number one, and to guarantee success. I mean, honestly, it's a bargain.